Chinsa chichire cheikomi mwancho mugireria mambia ya gusomora go babona iga ituko ritanga ni Jumatano rie igomotini yokano mwaka 2025 asenchera ya bene igonkwariganĩa ase mang'ana maya getegie chinsa ikomi senchirere yo bwenge igonkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga. Ese njera here yo bwengo maragobonega ese ya mwancho mwireria niko tochaka kurwa sensemo ye county ya Nyamira asibono amenyibe bara aya nyachogochoge kanisa gochia ensemo ya Serate imeye wodi ya Musamaro embunge ya West Mugirango imeye county ya Nyamira nigemambe ya lero besokirie na kwerege tambukiro gyo kuri bara asebarania omoromu bakwana hekere kyo nigo bamochiri mono omwemsie be ewadi yo Charles Kiganda ase okobeka omoromu ase bitusana gotiga kunywarania egento kegede barobwo ogochia koira echa yabo gochishinse mo chintambe gochia gopima ase chigikisa tobono
Marietane onkoro ku Charles Nyabuti onsinyo igonde omochairman wetundu bari to chandegete kurukuria Nyakururu Tea Buying Center code 82 ama kongo to bwate entugesa twachagete etundu bari yeito ne amangana yepara epare na beto chandete na endere kilomita chinka sana tuatemine korora bari bare konsani batorosarie para abwa somo MCR yo mobo omo esimiwa Charles Kiganda ototebi nindosie ntwanya komorora lakini asande tuaiguo etiro korire togo chikomobori rinde chisimi orimia una bono oyo no motienyo ogatato togendete gochandikaga ase parei
kero ya ikasarekera twabutire twarosire twachire nyachocho twarosire bororere twamwaiga omochanga arete akatutumbiraga echanction ya nyachokochoko bororere twamwangatiga tegatomyoke buna bananchi twekorere gasi twaraniga tororenga tore gosene egari nkwetere echiko tupimere chae nainde bono andosia sare onyo kaigwete eturakita yaye turakita ya county eturakita ne yo montonyene acharusie turakita yaye
Charles Kiganda
na togotigara imeye county eyo ya Nyamira omwancho mugireria niko bona barandi korwa chikanisa acha Nyamira acha Evangelical Lutheran Church of Kenya ELCK niko besokirie na kwemurunkeneria okunureligwa noboteneri obobe egwe kanisa eyo asebono abagotumeka ekatiberio mwaka 2015 gose 2018 yo karangana barabwo abagoteba etabwane tigotumeka bagokwana ime ya Nyamira niko baganirio obochori egwe kanisa eyo gokarekana boya karangana ane katibenya ye kanisa eyo nigo bono basabira boteneni egwe kanisa eyo imeyense ya Kenya ngima gotumeka hekatiba ayanchaire elio obatige kobaga abakristo bande
engenjo totayete gokwanera emechando era ase kanisa Evangelical Lutheran Church in Kenya. Kanisa Evangelical Lutheran Church in Kenya igo yachire twagwa notisinga igeko rae kanisa egotumeke ekatiba etari registered aigabona ase katibe etari ka registered yabere gotumeka ase ngencho yokonyanyasa na kounereria abarai n'abakoreri banda ase kanisa aigabona ase aikire kigwango ng'a abari barasoborai babeire bagotumeka nona marie kanisa koyaonchora kobe bintu byabo barabwa abanyene
korwa mwaka wejirwe ibere ntwanya nejirwe ibere na ngwanse ibere ntwanya gutwara bochori ase kanisa yaito abantu babere bakobekora omuna abarayibe kanisa nigo babere bakoererania ase njira etari kobwatia amachiko ari abekire ye katiba ye kanisa na obotandanu obwabeire bwarentiro ogwatanane kana ase kanisa cheito Kenya ngima na mono asense mo yaito yagusi ogwatanane kana kwabeire ororo twatwale abarayi baruete enseme yemo bagoteba bonsi nigo barabarayi asinge njonga obisienene eye kura uno mwaskovu Joseph Ochora eganga yabe nene yabere yo gwatanana wetera nje yo bututukani bwabeire nonye na asabana kintakana ababere bakolendwa ntwe igure bagukwana cyusi gakorwa se station ya yemo bagoteba nga bana be kanisa ya ELCK bako ba mentored na Bonyakoni Council of Elders obuno butandani wabone kiara ne kanisa ekomenta abana abali kintakana ne kanisa kobalenda tariye kundi kia ekilani gete ase kanisa nase geto sabanga Registry of Society etenenere lichikoliriro na ekatiberio erororo egere nyare kora kanisa
incho yo butanta no bonge borase kanisa yaitu kanisa yaitu yanyoriro bokongu mono
kanisa keo kwanda
Evangelical Lutheran Church in Kenya ELCK kanisa ye kurawa na Ochora pastor bishop batigo bakora kulingana na magani yabo bono go twachira to kubasabanga kabaranje tigababwatie a constitution elia registered elia imanyekanete because Kyle 1948 we have been in harmony evangelism was okay marandi alingi biya twali kurandi lingana lakini bono iga tusirite batusiririe
togotigana nayo tuske mutu mwancho muriria sebono abarayibe kiama kia UDA kurorogongo rwa Coast bayane kiribuna nigo bakorire ebikaro ase county chionsi isanemo imeyorogongo rwe buna enchire ya moyo gutinyi bunyamasi bwe kiamekyo bakorawa no speaker abwe bunge enene ya Senate Amason Kingi batebere buna eyone enchera eyemo oyo okwerigania bosyo bochoryo bonene bwa mashinani obwo korekana matuko abwangwiga nonyanigo abare abonigo bayire chinga kichiabene kwegerera serikali kubwatikana anemereberi yaye yamagendero ayo agendrete kwene kibu anene hasaragongo rwa Coast.
Katika serikali zote zilizopita serikali ya William Ruto ndio ilitambua viongozi wa pwani. Leo katika administration ya Ruto tuko na government appointees 106.
Tunataka kuimarisha chama cha UDA hapa Taveta constituency na Taita Taveta mzima na pwani mzima na Kenya mzima. Ni kwa nini chama cha UDA lazima kiimarishwe? Kuimarisha chama cha UDA kitatusaidia kusukuma kura za mwakani za Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto.
Tumeenda kupatia ma CHPs ambao walikuwa community health volunteers. Amewapatia stipend. Sasa wanapokea pesa kila mwezi. Hiyo ni kazi ya William Samoei Ruto.
Na togoska mututera nego chainega ye county ya Nairobi umwancho mureriani gobono abaraye mu bwege siasa abwalinda mwananchi bakorawa na seneta bwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna mbunge wensemo ya Embakasi East egati ya baraibande ni goba mu kiribororo homo speaker bwe bunge nene Moses Wetangulu asige tambukero kiaye yoko mwaka isikoye bikaro obye bunge nene mbunge wensemo ye bunge ya Kitutu Uchache South Anton Kibagendi korengana nabaraya abwe nigo kerege tambo kerekerwa minjaneri chiko ekiagara chinkwana chake bagendi nigo cyakorekanete isiko yamagacho oyebunge nene kolende tarime yebunge yo.
It is not possible for a speaker to police utterances of members of the National Assembly or even the Senate at media houses, at funerals, at baby showers. It is preposterous for anybody to imagine that what I say in my bedroom is also subject to the Powers and Privileges Act. It is just a preposterous position of the law. So the initial decision, of course, was unlawful and illegal. And after that decision was made, the Honorable Kibagendi took the matter to court as a believer in the rule of law, that disputes should be settled under the auspices of the law. The court has made a decision that the Honorable Kibagendi should be allowed back in Parliament. And when he comes back to Parliament to serve the people of Kitutu Chache South, again, another illegal decision is made to suspend him from the House in disobedience of the orders of the court for another 14 days. We are a country that is supposed to be governed by law. And we are the people who are saying, this is the reason why we as Linda Mwananchi keep insisting that the values under our constitution in the preamble, including the rule of law, are the underpinning of any functional society.
This moment and condemn what happened yesterday in the National Assembly. And I want to tell the Speaker of the National Assembly that you are a lawyer. You claim that to be a lawyer, and you claim that to know the law. Kenya is a law-abiding country, and we don't want a shame in National Assembly. You cannot intimidate a young parliamentary like Kibageti, who has the right of speech and is governed by the law.
As a matter of fact, yesterday, Parliament was turned into George Orwell's Animal Farm by the conduct of the chairperson at that time, Honorable Kaluma, and the decision to punish the Honorable Member, Anthony Kibagendi.
The contemptuous act by the National Assembly to blatantly, intentionally, and deliberately disobey court orders without any legal justification. The suspension given to Anthony Kibagendi by the Speaker of the National Assembly is null and void, just simply because Anthony Kibagendi uttered words which to the Speaker he thought that were not words that should be uttered in public. And I want to say that Kibagendi had a right to speech, a right to speak, because we know that freedom of speech is the oxygen of democracy. He spoke outside Parliament, and therefore whatever he said is not binding inside Parliament or within the precincts of Parliament.
Na ase nsemo ya yemo seneta abwe county ya Vihiga Godfrey Ososi na Daniel Kitonga manzo uyo romo seneta abwe nsemo ya Makweni ababara wabwatani wenda mwananchi nigo babolire mu speaker Moses Wetangula kwerusi ya BC kiagera nigaro mu speaker na chinga kieche cyo karo murabwe kyamakiria agya Ford Kenya egento korangana Ososi kerema mincha ayeri chiko ase korangana manzo nigo igatambukiriyo ko mwaka isiko Anthony Kibagendi kegochera robusibore ebwaye omubungo wiwe.
The party that the Speaker leads is a constituent member of Kenya Kwanza government. So we want to call upon Kenyans to revisit the issue of neutrality and impartiality of the office of the Speaker. He cannot continue being the Speaker of the National Assembly when he is holding a leadership position in a political party.
And mistreat or abuse the rights of a member to represent his people. In fact, representation is cardinal for a member of Parliament. If the Speaker feels that he has committed an offense, he knows the right authorities to report to or what to do. And no one is above the law. The President is excused from proceedings while in office, but that doesn't stop anyone from taking civil or criminal proceedings after he leaves office. And therefore, no one is above the law, not the Speaker. This is not the first time speakers have obeyed, have been seen to obey or to disobey court orders. There was a time Speaker Muturi, and quite a number of times, used to obey court orders.
Na togo sukamotwe mwanchu mugirelia ni gobono. Serikali ya chakiri meroberio yokurwania marua tancheiri imeyensemo yebunge ya Laikipia West aserengete kobeka byara abarosia abaonia amonabali bakonyagendia marua yo goika ase wendrete nonya nigo bagokwana kurua chinsemo chicharo riene ime ya Rumuruti abo bisabo borendi nigo baene kiribuna babekire meroberio wendrete helio kwene kyabuna ngokora bare ebikorwa ebyo.
Ile shida ambayo tuko nayo kubwa ya pombe haramu Nyahururu na zile sehemu nyingine ambazo zimetajwa Meru, Isiolo, Eldoret, Nakuru. Ni kweli haiwezi kuwa kwamba tumefika hapa kama hatujafanya uchunguzi wetu. Ni kwamba hii sehemu inachangia pakubwa kwa utengenezaji na uzaji wa pombe haramu.
Serikali kila wakati kama kuna jambo ambayo labda inataka kushughulikiwa zaidi inapanga na ina launch kutoka ofisi ya juu alafu inateremka mpaka ofisi ya chini kuishughulikia kama ni shida, kama ni janga, kama ni mambo ya pombe, kama ni mambo labda ya registration watu wa register wapate vitambulisho, kama ni mambo ya usalama na mambo kama hayo.
Sisi ni wageni yenu kuanzia leo. Saa yenye tunajua, wakati yenye tunajua, tukushike, tukupeleke kotini, aidha utoe fine. Usipotoa fine, hata nafikiri mumeona kuna officer ya prison hapa. Polisi, kotini, prison. Vitu ngapi?
Na musubati mutangani ense ya Kenya musubati Rachel Ruto iga kirio senigariganie kiombe kirikia basubati kia maendeleo ya wanawake ime yenyumbene na yobore ya State House iga ime muchi Nairobi okwana na barobwe Rachel niga kiribuna abasubati nabo bakolire emireme manene kwene kyanga ense ya Kenya nigo yagendeire kiombe kio kia maendeleo ya wanawake nigo giachagetibwe mwaka bwirwe yamo chimikianda 52.
Ningependa mujisikie mko nyumbani na ningependa kumshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa kuweza kuwalete salama usalimini. Kina mama wa Kenya, kina mama wa maendeleo ya kina mama, wacha niseme asante. Asante kwa viongozi wenu. Viongozi wa tangu maendeleo ya kina mama ianze mwaka wa 1952, 1958. Maendeleo ya kina mama ni jina ambalo tunajua nyumbani. And I want to thank the women of Kenya for their resilience and their work of empowering communities. Nyinyi kina mama ndio sababu Kenya ipo. Bila kina mama mambo yanaweza kuwa ngumu sana. And so to the women of Kenya, I want to say we are proud of you and the work that you continue to do. I want to encourage you not to be tired and not to give up. Sometimes as a woman, when you're working, you think someone is not seeing. But I want to tell you that the world sees and people see. Kwa hivyo asanteni sana. To the leaders, I want to thank you for your resilience. I see the trailblazers here. Women who have stood the test of time. And today the young women of this nation look up to you. Thank you for setting a great example for the young women of this nation. Your Excellency, thank you so much for standing with the women of Kenya. Without you, we would not be here. We are very proud of you. And we know that you, as the President of Kenya, the women of Kenya are at a good place. So we continue to pray for you, Your Excellency, that you will continue to lead us even in the days to come.
Na gukwane kerekio Mwaraiwense William Ruto oyukirana hase ekiombe kyo kia amaendeleo ya wanawake nigo irari bagaria bene kwegerera emiroberi yaye yamagendero hegati yabo bwagachiwe bareria ya Maurironi Summit inyumba yemesangerkano ya Bomas of Kenya amone kigancha keria kyubogwene hagiasha imeyense ya Kenya asano yenigo abagikeborro baria abagose baria ababate bangataranya ko bakawikirania emiroberio oyaye.
Can say with confidence, ukienda kwa kijiji fulani utakuta mtu amesema nimelipiwa 20,000 na SHA, nimelipiwa 50,000 na SHA, familia fulani wamelipiwa 200,000, mtu fulani amelipiwa shilingi 1,000,000. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Mulikuwa mnasikia maneno kama haya zamani? Yes. Sio kama tunaelewana. Lakini mnajua hapakosi watu ambao bado wanaendesha propaganda. Porojo, unajua SHA haifanyi. Kwa sababu huyo mwenye anasema SHA haifanyi kwanza hajajiandikisha. Huyo mwingine hajakuwa mgonjwa. Ndiye ajue kama inafanya ama haifanyi. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Mwingine ni mwanasiasa ambaye hana haja na SHA, anafuata siasa. Ndio unasikia wengine nilikuwa hata mwingine nasikia mwingine juzi ati ako na habari kwamba SHA ita collapse in 6 months. Kwa sababu mimi ni rais, nikajaribu kuchunguza hii habari alitoa wapi. Nikagundua kumbe alienda akaongea na waganga na wachawi ndio wakamwambia hiyo. Kwa sababu
Morai wense mwanchu mwerelia William Ruto agotebanga kore obolingo libwa na kumanyanga Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua nigachiete asabaganga usaba nyemesira ilio kone kingekomikeria shakiagure yere ngencho ya bene ngani gonere nigachiete korusia basemya korwa ase abaganga abo buna korengana no Morai wense William Ruto tegane naye toskemotu chia chi ensemo ye chigosori asabano chitimu chense ya Kenya mupira bw'ibikabu asebaria bamenyete no barema abogotatara nigo bakirwe isiko yemirano ya Afrika hegosori y'ibikabu mayega yo gukorwa n'enseria ya Morocco etimu y'abasubati nigo yekorotwe ibikabu 14 ase ibikabu 12 ase etimu ya basacha batekobeke gusura ibikabu 72 ase ibikabu 25 bono nigo barache kogosori egosori yo koriga libaga lya gatano amo ne lya gatano na limo.
In as much as we lost, we've learned a few things, we've learned a lot of things. The experience has been good, the exposure has... Today's game was better than last time, but it happens. It has not been easy here, but yeah, we push however we can. We will do better next time probably, but yeah, we'll take home the good lessons and the positive.
For greater support so that at least we not only come for the big tournaments, but as well as we have our local tournament to get that support. Consistency is also important, and you know there are challenges with persons with disability, getting to the venue, having this facility, quality facility, of course, it's a very big challenge.
Girelia chapto kirech dakika emerongevere igoro yechinsa ikomicha bono maragoba nabwo esenchera ere ya bene nongo ikirio mwerio mangana maja kuregete seni jaito kia bene ya Ensoko TV korende komanyibwanga kurega sero keria akia akasarani annex ile mu Nairobi ekemeno kilige ne ya FKF Sport Pesa Kenya Premier League nigo kiere gosega tia Nairobi United amona Mara Sugar nigo kiere egolia yemo aseyemo na baigo egolia ya Nairobi United yanyonsi bona mogosori ya atake bini wanyanga ase omukosori Alex Mbusi bakaba kwerani egolia sensemeria ya Amara Sugar nyiranga ali tukirecho mapiri club kireke Nairobi United nigo chikuriga ni Shabana FC aiga himemo chu Nairobi ase kesero ekeria akia ulinzi complex barabara ne barene ekorwa enseme ya Nairobi agochia Rongai asensemeria ya Langata esenchera ajabene Kevin Mogoyi amona Felisas Kabendi bonsi no barenge mega yemenyancha kunika chibi cha mwana Mario Giago ikeire as enchera ere eyobo ikiranu korende Thomas Woske kiagara edunya ngaumwa na mboka gochana mu bongo lya mareko mongo lya mareko boika enseya moya margoba nabayigo kurensa yamo amaisata mangana maya Clinton Ndigi amonere ebarongo oyaje Frida Kirubo musange amamangana maya senchera yobo kanu nabayigo aselingana aliyeke moya ine ingaliyeke moya ndrelieri umorogoba orero tuska kera chinse ichonsi nojuko bosangana wesemya amangana ayege koro hanena mangana alya amakongu okegimani gonkuru kwa Daniel Omwaga morogoba omotoereru.